literally. It's been a while since I touched the car. It's probably been about a month. Literally, it's just acting as storage currently, storing a bunch of stuff, some little projects I got going on, storing some parts for another car that I got going on, but I'm not going to show that just yet. So I think today I'm going to tackle a bunch of little things, like getting the wheels swapped out with a temporary set. I got a temporary set that's going to go on there, and they get these thrown away. Probably not that. I'll use it as a spare, but yeah, these ones don't even hold air. So what we're going to go ahead and do is get the quick jacks under the car and get, like I said, temporary set of wheels. I haven't been able to show much progress on what we got with the rear end, but y'all saw that we got this all sanded down. I found more rust here. Gonna cut some more of it out and then hit it with the rust informer and start patching this up. And I think that should be it with the rust. I don't know how it is in this door. I really need to dive into it and start getting door jams done, under the fender, all those goodies. We'll be working with these for the meantime until we get the car to a point in time where I feel like, you know, that it's ready for new wheels. The new wheels that I got for it on another car that I would like to bring to the channel. I've got to find a point to record a video with that one, but for now, let's see if these will work. So the reason why I don't want to put brand new wheels on, so I just don't want to ruin them. I don't want to ruin them in the process of working on this car. Wow, okay. Pretty crazy what wheels can do to a car, even this beat up piece of shit. Yeah. I was worried that it'd rub in here. No, it doesn't rub. Let's go to a completed side where we have a door actually. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is it with the temporary wheels until we can get this car to a point where I feel like it's okay to throw new ones on. I don't want to risk damaging the new ones that I have for it. So we're just going to have these on there temporarily. Because these were obviously... didn't look good. It was very... With stuff like this, you have to make progress here and there to really enjoy working on the car when it looks like shit constantly and you don't feel like you're making too much progress. It can get a little... Well... It's not very motivating, so yeah, got the wheels on. Temporary wheels, looks killer even with these on. I'm gonna rock with these for a good while. I'm gonna continue doing some body work over here. And then I need to start over here. I need to start patching this and getting this car, just get it sanded down. I think that's the part that I'm dreading the most, is doing all the sanding. because it's just so much you have to do. I gotta get the front valence off. I got it partially off, but never finished. I don't know why I did that. Start getting the fenders off and cleaning the inside, painting it with the rust informer, all that good stuff. So let's just jump right into it. I'm not even gonna bullshit anymore. Alright, so that wasn't so bad. Pretty much what I did is I just scuffed up this whole area, cleaned it, hit it with the rust informer. And then I got a little carried away. I started spraying this inside here. Although this wasn't really rusted out or anything, I just thought, you know what, fuck it. Finish the can out. I'm all out on the can, that way that's why I couldn't get all these areas. But yeah, I mean, honestly, it doesn't look too bad. I don't mind it. It's this is hidden by the fender anyways, which we got to tackle at some point, getting that sanded down. But yeah, we'll give this some time to cure. Honestly, just getting sick and tired of sanding this thing down. It takes quite a while. So what I'm gonna do is probably just take one full weekend, invite some buddies over, and just go ham on getting this whole thing down to bare metal, getting fenders, doors off, painting door jambs and all that, and then getting the interior done, sanded down, painted completely. And then we can start working on everything mechanically. I did do a video just to kind of throw something different in there, because you guys are seeing nothing but body work really, and it was getting annoying. I needed to take a break. It's a process that I'm dreading, not liking it too much, but we got to get it done at some point. So I think what I want to do now, honestly, is get all the stuff in the interior taken out and try and put these seats in. At least the rear seats, set the front seats in, and just get an idea of what we're looking at here. All right. Well, there's a little bit of motivation. That's as far back as it goes, right? Oh, oh, shit. Well, that's a nice bit of motivation. Let's go check the passenger side, which has a door. Oh yeah, it looks a little bit better. Looking almost complete. I've been having issues with really coming out here and getting some stuff done on the car because it's pretty much just cosmetics. Everything, the whole car needs to be sanded down and painted, and I've kind of been dreading it a little bit because this isn't the only car that I've been working on. I've been sanding another car too. It's not mine, it's a buddy's, but it's been so much. It's kind of getting repetitive at this point. It's one of those where it's just you do it, you kind of dread doing it a little bit. Like I said, sanding another car, it's really eating into my drive to want to continue sanding this car down and getting it 100%. So pretty much what I wanted to get done with this video is just kind of tackle a bunch of little things. One mod you can always do on any car. It could be an old looking piece of shit. You throw good wheels on it, it'll look so much better. And throwing these wheels on it has given me a little bit of motivation. For one, I needed to get these wheels out of my way. I don't have much space. I needed to get these wheels onto something and get those ones thrown away. So it is nice clearing up some space with that. But yeah, throwing the wheels on and putting the seats in is giving me a little bit of motivation. It looks more like a complete car. So hopefully I can get some more hands-on. I do have a little bit more free time on my hands now. So I have no excuse. I should be able to come in here and just start tackling this car and start getting some things done. But yeah, like I always say in all of my videos, if you guys have any tips or tricks, anything that'll make my life a little bit easier, maybe even save me money, please let me know down in the comment section. I always appreciate everybody who leaves some advice down in the comments. There are a few of you who've done that. And yeah, if you guys happen to enjoy the video, please leave a like, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.